It tastes a lot like curry. It's very spicy. Actually, this one's spicier than earlier before. It has a lot of, yeah, a lot of, it's very aromatic. Hi, my name is Peter Sudarso, and we are Chinese Indonesian.
Hi, my name is Anna. Usually people call me with Mrs. Sudarso because I'm his mom.
So today we are making beef rendang.
It's easy to make and it can stay for a long time.
It's usually like dried and I guess caramelized. We're not going to be making it that way. The way our family usually makes it is we keep it more of a wet curry as opposed to a dried beef kind of thing. So the ingredients that we'll be using today are, I don't know, Mom, what are they?
1 onion.
1 whole head of garlic, 1 piece of ginger, already skinned.
1 ginger.
3 pieces of red jalapeno, 1 piece of, what is that? Galangga?
Galangga. Yeah,
Oh.
this is galangga.
That thing. This is galangga. Both me, my mom, and my whole family, we were all born in Indonesia. We were raised there, and we moved out here in 1998. So I grew up with Indonesian culture, Indonesian foods, and all that stuff. And being exposed to American culture at such an early age, I just grew up American.
So I'm going to put them in the chopper.
I feel like food's always brought our family together because food is the time when we would always come down to have dinner together. I think it's also nice too because now as I'm getting older, I'm starting to want to know more about how to cook Indonesian food and just keep that culture alive.
Yes.
Good answer. The spices that we'll also be using, is this gonna go inside the blender as well?
No, this is already powdered.
Coriander and nutmeg and cloves.
And this is cumin.
Sure,
and this is
sure.
turmeric.
Turmeric, ooh, I know that one.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
And the coconut milk.
And coconut milk.
This is kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass. We will put everything in the chopper.
Oh, and beef. And of course, beef, the main ingredient. My favorite food would have to be, I guess it's a bit more of like a salsa type dish, but my mom cooks this thing called sambal terasi, and it's one of my favorite things to eat with everything.
Yeah, he eats with, even with ham. He likes to
It's kind of like a
dip it.
spicy chili paste, so it's something that my mom makes. It's her special recipe, and I just use it with everything.
And it smells really bad.
But it tastes really good.
Shall I start?
Sure, I'm gonna start. Why we're making beef rendang is because it's just something that my mom's always made for us. It's a staple in this household, and it reminds me of home, I guess.
We eat with rice. Usually we wrap it in the banana leaves. People call it nasi bungkus.
I didn't know that.
With some vegetables and everything else.
Yeah, so rendang is usually from
West Sumatra.
Yeah, West Sumatra. Beef rendang is I think it's just an everyday kind of dish. We usually eat it over rice. There's a specific type of rice that we eat with rendang, right?
Nasi uduk.
Yeah,
You can
what is
eat
that?
with nasi uduk. Nasi uduk is coconut milk rice. You want it to be fine paste. I learned it from my mom. Most of the recipe I made is her recipe. Mestinya bawangnya dulu ya.
Yeah.
Jadi soft.
Oh wow, that is hitting me right in the eyes.
It's
Yeah,
strong.
it's pretty spicy.
Yeah.
What else do we do
So
now?
we can just put them in the oil.
I love how you're doing all the cooking and I'm pretty much just watching. Ooh.
We will saute the paste, all the ingredients inside. Just a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of cumin. This is pepper.
It goes straight into your eyes. We celebrate the 17th of August, which is Indonesia's Independence Day. We also celebrate Lunar New Year, which is from our Chinese side.
Yes, but for the Indonesian, there is also Lebaran.
What is that?
Lebaran that we celebrate with ketupat, the rice cake.
Oh yeah, the little
The
triangle
rice
things.
cake, it wrapped with coconut leaves.
We also have
And we
American
also-
traditions. We put up the tree and Christmas lights.
Yes.
How else do we celebrate Indonesian culture? Oh, I'm wearing
Indonesian
batik right now, so I guess that's kind of...
And there is Batik Day.
Is there?
There is.
I didn't even know that. Oh, the onions, it's killing me. Oh, my eyes. You're like, move, weakling. We're Chinese by blood and Indonesian by culture, but our family is Chinese, I think, in Indonesia, three generations?
We are there for many generations. Many
generations. So we're pretty much
Indonesian.
Yeah. It smells really good. It smells very lemongrassy. The lemongrass has such a strong smell with it.
Yes.
We're gonna add the coconut milk. Just the whole thing, Mom? The whole thing. I mean, we have a lot of memories.
I love him because he loves eating. Then meat.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this. There you go, one at a time. After we put in the meat, start mixing it.
5 leaves of the kaffir lime.
5 leaves of kaffir lime.
That's it, you can just cover it.
Oh, that's it? That's so easy. Oh.
And then you have to cook for sometimes.
Okay, and then we just wait. We prepared a batch prior to because it does take a long time to usually cook.
Usually it's like, it will take like 3 hours. Once in a while you have to stir it.
And how can you tell when it's done? Is there
The
something
gravy
specific?
will be like thick like that, and the oil separated.
Like this. And the meat should be fairly
soft, but not too soft.
Yeah. And yeah?
I'll do it.
Okay. Yeah. You got this, Mom. Go, Mom. Now that we're done cooking, it's time to serve it. It should be ready. There you go, Mom.
Thank you.
Okay. Mari makan. That means let's eat in Indonesian. It's good. Thank you to my mom for bringing me out to the States, because if not, I wouldn't have this amazing life.
Hi, thank you for watching MENU by T&P. This series has been a really long time in the making and would not have been possible without the support of the folks at Tuesday Night Project. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and share with all your friends so we can continue making more videos like this.